Today I'll be showing you how to create a landscape Google Doc. So first we're going to go to Google Drive by clicking on the 9 dots on the top right, open up the Google Apps, then you'll go down to where it says Drive and select that. Then we're going to click on New, then click on Google Docs, then you'll select File on the top left, go all the way down to where it says Page Setup, change where it says Orientation, and instead of Portrait, select Landscape, then click OK. And then you will have a landscape Google Doc. If you enjoyed the video and learned something, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.